So this is seasoning up. I gotta make some extra for James. I'm gonna start my crumb here for my dredge. I have some panko in one. I have some whole wheat white flour, which is just regular wheat flour that's been kind of sifted in extra processed. Eggbeaters here. Alright, just a little longer, maybe 3 little slices of oranges. Also presentation, it makes it sexy. And so this is just some Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna get in trouble for because there's a lot in it. I'm just gonna give this a little toss. Give this one a little toss, bring all those seasonings to the front. A little bit of crunch, we wanna give it some pizzazz. So we're just kind of stomping here. I'm gonna use the bigger side. Stomp it in there. Stomp it in the egg beaters. And then stomp it right in to the panko. So we have a nice crusty top side and still plain bottom side. All right, so ideally you want to have a dry hand and a wet hand. I'm gonna go. All right, so I'm gonna add this here. I'm gonna throw in some shallots as well. What do you add? Just a little bit of garlic, you know. Here I'm gonna add some orange juice and I'm gonna add some apple juice to this as well, okay? Sorry, I got an egg yolk here. Nobody? This is orange juice concentrate.
You want you to be drinking juice.
Orange juice concentrate by freezer, we'll scoop right out. It's the same thing, yeah, the same thing with the apple juice. Yeah.
Use it, you just scoop it.
Scoop and go. Alright, so that's going to keep bubbling up for us just a little bit. Juice to this, just the ends of what we put in our salmon over there. Brown, not burnt, nice and thick. We're going to turn that off, let that chill out for just a little bit. Throw in our sour cream, our low-fat sour cream. So we're gonna put the sauce right here.
Ooh, wow, look at that. Delicious. What kind of sauce is that?
Zesty cream sauce.
Oh, zesty.
Yeah, that's your stage name, isn't it? I know it.